Good afternoon. So if you look into this diagram, this shows you a simple harmonic motion being executed by a bob and a pendulum. So you can see it moves to the rightward direction. The rightward displacement is positive and the leftward displacement is negative. This motion, which is oscillating motion, can be represented using trigonometric functions sine or cosine. So what you see below is the mathematical expression for simple harmonic motion. It is found out, and I'm not getting into the proof, that the simple harmonic motion can be described mathematically using sine or cosine function. Now the sine function is a bound function from 1 to minus 1. The cosine function is also a bound function from 1 to minus 1. And therefore, these two functions definitely represent simple harmonic motion. Thank you very much.